How do you keep your mind focused while studying?
I keep my mind focused by studying in a quiet and clean place.
How do you avoid distractions during study time?
I turn off my phone and avoid social media to stay focused.
How do you prepare yourself before starting to study?
I prepare by organizing my notes and setting clear goals.
How do you manage your time for better concentration?
I use a timetable and take short breaks to refresh my mind.
How do you stay motivated when studying gets boring?
I remind myself of my goals and rewards after finishing.
How does he stay focused while reading long chapters?
He divides the chapters into small parts and studies them one by one.
How does she improve her concentration while studying at home?
She studies early in the morning when it's peaceful.
How do they maintain focus during online classes?
They keep their cameras on and take notes actively.
How does it help to study with full concentration?
It helps you understand better and remember longer.
How does this method improve your learning power?
This method trains your brain to stay alert and absorb more.
How does a student train his mind to focus deeply?
He practices meditation and studies at fixed hours daily.
How do friends help each other study with focus?
They discuss topics together and remind each other to avoid distractions.
How does music affect your concentration while studying?
Soft instrumental music helps me stay calm and focused.
How does one create an ideal study environment?
By keeping the study area neat and free from noise.
How does lack of sleep affect your concentration?
It makes your mind tired and reduces your focus.
How do teachers guide students to study with attention?
They suggest techniques like goal setting and regular revision.
How does your brain react to a quiet study space?
It becomes more alert and active in silence.
How does motivation improve your focus level?
Motivation keeps you interested and helps you avoid laziness.
How do parents support their children's focus?
They reduce noise at home and provide a comfortable study area.
How do early morning studies help concentration?
Morning studies help because the mind is fresh and clear.
How does one deal with overthinking while studying?
By taking deep breaths and returning focus to the book.
How do strong goals help in maintaining focus?
Strong goals give direction and purpose to your study.
How does a healthy diet help in concentration?
It gives energy and keeps your brain active for long hours.
How does reading aloud improve focus?
It keeps your attention fixed on the words and meaning.
How do visual notes help students stay focused?
They make learning colorful and interesting.
How does writing by hand help your concentration?
It engages your brain and improves memory.
How does exercise before studying affect focus?
It increases blood flow to the brain and boosts alertness.
How does regular sleep support better concentration?
It relaxes the brain and helps it stay sharp during study.
How does he handle distractions from his phone?
He puts it away or uses focus apps to block notifications.
How does she study with full attention in a noisy house?
She uses earphones or studies in a quiet corner.
How do students reduce stress for better focus?
They meditate or go for a short walk before studying.
How do short breaks improve concentration?
They refresh your brain and prevent mental fatigue.
How does he stay consistent in his study routine?
He studies at the same time every day with discipline.
How does she keep her mind from wandering?
She writes a to-do list and follows it strictly.
How do group studies help maintain focus?
They make studying interactive and reduce boredom.
How does silence improve your study power?
Silence helps you think clearly and remember easily.
How do planners help students stay on track?
Planners organize time and set clear daily targets.
How does self-discipline help in focused learning?
It builds control over distractions and keeps you steady.
How does he memorize lessons quickly?
He repeats them loudly and tests himself afterward.
How does she prepare her desk for study?
She keeps only books and materials needed for the session.
How does a calm mind help in better concentration?
A calm mind learns faster and remembers more effectively.
How do successful students manage distractions?
They schedule their day and avoid multitasking.
How does reading in natural light help focus?
It keeps the eyes relaxed and the brain active.
How does he build his concentration gradually?
He starts with short sessions and increases study time daily.
How do reminders help in studying with focus?
They alert you to return to your work when you get distracted.
How does she motivate herself to study hard?
She imagines her future success and feels inspired.
How does a quiet library improve concentration?
It removes distractions and gives a peaceful study atmosphere.
How do positive thoughts affect focus?
They reduce stress and boost mental energy.
How do rewards improve study habits?
They make studying enjoyable and encourage more effort.
How does he manage multiple subjects without losing focus?
He studies one subject at a time with planned breaks.
How do healthy snacks help you stay alert?
They give energy and prevent drowsiness during study.
How does daily revision increase focus?
It strengthens memory and reduces last-minute stress.
How does she stay away from distractions?
She switches off her phone and studies in another room.
How do concentration exercises help?
They train your brain to stay focused longer.
How does he handle boredom while studying?
He changes subjects or revises in different styles.
How does a timetable improve study discipline?
It gives structure and keeps you consistent.
How does reading in short sessions help focus?
It prevents mental fatigue and improves understanding.
How do they motivate each other to study?
They set goals together and celebrate small wins.
How does he reduce noise distractions?
He uses earplugs or white noise to stay calm.
How does she keep her mind fresh during long study hours?
She drinks water and takes small breaks.
How does one avoid multitasking while studying?
By focusing on one topic until it's complete.
How do success stories inspire concentration?
They remind you why hard work is worth it.
How does meditation improve attention span?
It clears your thoughts and strengthens mental control.
How does she plan her study time wisely?
She studies tough subjects when her mind is most active.
How does he overcome laziness during study hours?
He starts with easy topics to build momentum.
How do students develop focus through reading habits?
They practice reading with understanding, not just speed.
How does regular exercise help mental clarity?
It increases oxygen to the brain and reduces stress.
How does he balance rest and study for better focus?
He studies for 50 minutes and rests for 10 minutes.
How does she avoid distractions from social media?
She logs out and uses apps to limit usage.